the sum. So the next sum is question number 6b. Phi of s is given as s minus 1 the whole square that gets divided by s square minus 2s plus phi the whole square. So now let's start with solution. I write phi of s as s minus 1 the whole square gets divided by s square minus 2s plus phi the whole square. We can just modify here. Since it is s minus 1 the whole square, we can see a shifting in numerator. So I can put a shifting term here after completing square, that becomes s minus 1 the whole square plus phi minus 1 comes to be 4 and the whole square of this. So which I can write as L inverse of phi of s. I can take a shifting term outside, that will be e raised to plus t, and the remaining will be L inverse of s square divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. So we can solve this using convolution theorem, that will be more easier. So let's define phi 1 of s. So now I can say phi 1 of s is s square divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Let's solve it by convolution, where I'll be defining two terms. So as I mentioned phi 1, so let's say phi 1 1 of s, that is s divided by s square plus 4, and the next is phi 1 2 of s, that is s divided by s square plus 4. So I can say f11 of t comes to be cos 2t and f12 of t comes to be cos 2t. So now I can define f11 of u, that is cos 2u, f12 of t minus u as cos 2 into t minus u. Putting into a formula, I can say L inverse of phi 11 of s into phi 12 of s comes to be 0 to t f11 of u into f12 of t minus u into du, which I can say as 0 to t cos 2u into cos 2t minus 2u du. So cos a cos b, which I can solve further as 1 by 2 0 to t cos a plus b, so cos 2u plus 2t minus 2u plus cos a minus b, so that is 2u minus 2t plus 2u. So now after solving this, I get as 1 by 2 0 to t cos of this, and this term gets cancelled, so only cos 2t remains, and this comes to be cos of 4u minus 2t. So now let's integrate. I can say this to be 1 by 2 cos 2t is constant. Integration of 1 with respect to u is u, that is from 0 to t, and integration of cos is sine 4u minus 2t, that gets divided by 4. Limits are 0 to t. So now I can define this as 1 by 2, this to be t into cos 2t, this comes as 1 by 4. Further, when we substitute t, that becomes as sine 2t. When we substitute 0, that becomes as sine 2t minus, when I substitute 0 here, so sine of minus 2t, which comes to be plus, because sine of minus is minus sine, so plus sine 2t. So now 1 by 2 t into cos 2t, and this comes to be 1 by 2 sine 2t. That completes the answer here. But now I need to use this here, and finally I can write L inverse of phi of s as, the answer which I have got is this. So putting into L inverse of phi of s, there is e raised to t multiplied. So L inverse of final phi of s is e raised to t, and then we can write this as t by 2 cos 2t, and next is plus 1 by 4 sin 2t. That completes my whole sum. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.